Hey guys, what's up?
Hello.
Yeah, you good? I got a whole shoe up there now, dude. What do you expect?
So today we're installing the short shifter. No, that's too much. It's
Oh, right.
because it's short now. No, it's just
It's much more familiar to me.
yeah. Unboxing time.
Who done it, huh?
Here it is.
Billet aluminum, baby. Ooh, that is so short.
See, it's like it's right there, dude.
Jeez.
Super quick. So this is actually a full assembly, not just the shift handle. It's also lightweight and billet aluminum. So, and because it's the full assembly, it's a lot easier to replace. It also came with another one of these, although we don't know what that is for.
Show them the other holes too.
Yeah, and it's got.
That's an adjustment of some sort.
Yeah.
I have no idea what the fuck that's for.
So we're probably just gonna use the one that's already in there, but who knows? Maybe we'll figure it out.
All right, guys, we're gonna measure the throw before and after. It's in neutral right now. Oh yeah. So kind of line that shit up with the edge there. There you go. And now pull it into fourth. How far did this front edge go? Looks like 4 inches.
Just about a little under 4 inches.
Okay, so we got 4 inches of throw into fourth, and it would be pretty close for the rest of them, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
So let's see how much that changes. We're gonna take the center console up. Pretty fucking stupid. Bro, I'm recording.
All right, so here we have the assembly. And then we got 4 12mm bolts we're gonna have to remove, just all around it. We got the 2 shift linkages here that we're gonna have to get off of this so we can put onto the other one. Let's get to it. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the cotter pins out. And as you can see, it's kind of shaped like a T. So basically what we just have to do is we have to fold back these 2 and get it in a straight line, and then we pull it out from this end.
Noah, what do you do when a cotter pin is fighting you on the way out?
You fuck it.
Okay.
So we're not reusing these cotter pins, so we get a pair of clippy boys and we get as close to the pin as we can, as close to this pin as we can, and pinch down and then pry out in the opposite direction. And as you can see, it's starting to work there. And then you just keep doing that until you can get it out.
Hey!
There you go!
Look at that, you did it.
Yay! Okay, so this one is actually a solid pin, so you just push it out and then pull it through. But this one, it's actually attached to the shifter, so you want to make sure you don't lose the washers, and then you just pull this off like that. Why is there so much coffee in the Civic? Let's talk about that.
Now, we just gotta get these disconnected.
So this is supposed to just pull out to the side super easy, but if you look right there around the brim, and then also on the actual plastic here, it was just, ugh.
You touched it.
Yeah. It was like welded in there, just glued on by dried coffee. And it took us 2 pliers and both of us pulling at it to get it out. This mod will probably be easier for you if you don't have a fucking shit ton of coffee underneath every crevice. We got the second one out. So, as you can see, it's out. This was just in there, and over it was this plate. So you basically just had to get a pry bar or like a flathead screwdriver underneath this lip right here, up on top, and then you just pulled this off, and then you just basically just scoot this back and pull it up. Oh yeah,
look at that, dude.
Coffee that was.
That is insane. It almost looks burnt.
You like my pose?
That was one sticky boy. Look at that. Look at what's left, dude. Look at where it was rested.
Oh my god.
Look at that ground.
Oh god, that's so nasty, dude.
What the fuck? Let's replace this with some steezy fancy parts.
So we got them right next to each other so we can do a quick comparison. This is the old sleazy one. This is the replacement part, all nice and shiny. But also, look at the height difference. That's like...
With the extension
With the extension we put on it, this thing is like... I mean, like, I'm 4'3", and this thing is like half my height. So
4'3". Yeah.
It's almost about where it was originally.
Yeah.
But it'll have a shorter throw, and that's the important part.
Right.
That's what we're actually after.
It's gonna feel.
So we got to transfer the grommets from this one to that one, and after that we can place it in that bitch and get some bolts in there. We got the grommets all in place, all 4 of them. Got the coffee off our hands, and now we're going back into the belly of the beast. That was a dumb line.
Okay.
Anyways, so now we just gotta place it in there. Line up the grommets with the fucking bolt holes.
Please tell me they line up. Watch, they don't. I'll be pissed. I think they do, right?
No, they don't.
Huh?
I'm kidding. They do.
Dude, I was about to.
Oh! Yeah, they line up.
Okay. So, remember guys, when you're doing something as important as these, thread them in with your fingers first, enough to know that they're not cross-threaded, before you start yanking on them with an impact. I've made that mistake several times and had to rethread things. It's a major damper on fun plans.
Like my exhaust?
Shut up. Spooky.
But yeah, you just kind of... Is the camera even looking at it? You're not even looking where the camera's...
Yeah, it'll go in. You just gotta...
Yeah, no, I know. I'm just...
Have some man hands.
Shut up.
Oh.
What?
That's why it snapped when it came off. You gotta turn it to get it in.
Oh, so I wasn't doing it wrong.
No.
I mean, I wasn't just a weak little bitch. I was doing it wrong. That's what I would say.
There it is. Yeah. Twist it so it won't slide out. And this is actually perfectly placed.
So as you can see, this one has a different pin in it than the last one, and there's also a spot. So the reason that is, okay, based on whether you put it in the top or bottom one, it'll be a shorter throw. Because as you can see, this top one is obviously a little bit further back. And then here it's a little bit further forward.
Yeah.
So that's why there's 2 of them. And then this one has 3 of them.
Once again, I believe the top is going to be the shortest throw. But I've read a couple of reviews that say that these ones might, they can stretch your shift linkage. So I'm probably gonna put it right in the middle just to be safe. But this one I will put on the top.
The kit came with some Allen wrenches. 3 of them.
These are just set screws, so you don't have to take them all the way out to get it to slide.
Damn, this one's...
Yeah, I tightened that with my man hands. There you go. Now pull out. Pull out. Pull up. Oh. So now we gotta tighten this bottom one. That's
Tighten?
gonna be a big Allen wrench.
Tighten the bottom one?
Yep.
Oh.
So because the handle acts as one of the shift linkage connections, we are gonna tighten it down and get ready to freaking do it.
What the fuck was that?
What? What?
Oh, nothing. Wasn't anything.
What noise?
No. Okay, so when I dropped something and we didn't know what the fuck it was, it turned out to be one of the set screws. But thankfully, we could just take one of the set screws off of the old one. Oh, did you find it? Oh. Well,
iPhone dongle. That's sick.
but thankfully, we could just take one of the set screws off the old one and put it on here, so we still have all 3. Now what we're gonna do is, because Simon is the one who drives this car, because
I think I want it as high as possible.
He is going to hold it where it's comfortable, and then I'm gonna tighten the screws.
I can tighten them. I think I'm just gonna put it on the top setting.
Okay, that works too.
Like,
I guess I'm not needed.
shut up. Worse than me.
That's saying something.
Dude, this thing is sick. The throw is not only more like, you know, if you're in gear, you know what I mean? The other one's kind of like wishy-washy, like, bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh, I can still shake it like it's in neutral, but it's in first. That's weird. This one's like, nah, bitch, you went first. You feel that, you know what I mean? And even on the highest setting, it's actually comfortable now. It's that middle ground that I couldn't get with the other one. And it just feels so much better. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, we're gonna measure this B word from, we did 4th, right?
Yeah, from neutral to 4th.
Okay. So am I pretty even with the edge?
Yeah.
Okay. 2.5.
That's really good.
2.5 inch. We cut off 1.5 inches, and if I lowered the setting, it would go down. At the minimum setting, it would probably go like 2.5 inches shorter than the original.
What setting?
You're right. At the 2.5. What the fuck? At the lowest setting, it would most likely shorten the throw down to probably 2.5 inches less than the original.
Now, with that being said, let's throw this puppy back together.
Got the center console back in, and now I am feeling it for the first time. Ooh, that's,
Spicy, huh?
yeah. I've only driven the car once, but even after only just driving it once, I can feel how much better that is.
Noah, where'd you go?
I'm right here.
Noah.
Oh no.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah.
Bye.